Hi there, and welcome to AXL, the all-in-one marketing, sales, and service platform for small business owners that helps you drive more sales and retain more customers. AXL is specifically designed to replace the unreliable web of dozens of marketing apps with a single seamless business ecosystem. So you can say goodbye to annoying integration failures, lost leads, and analytical data, along with high monthly fees, one platform instead of many, one cost instead of many, and endless technical possibilities instead of endless problems. That's what AXL is. And now let me give you a quick tour of the platform so you can see firsthand how AXL works in real life. Let's start with a website builder. AXL has a full-fledged website builder that allows you to create a landing page in just a few clicks. We click on Add Site button, enter the name and web address, and here we are inside the space of your new site, where you can easily create as many pages as you need. The page editor allows you to build any page you want, and you don't need to be a designer to create a beautiful website. Simply assemble it using pre-designed blocks. In fact, it's even easier than playing with Lego. There are many blocks to choose from: covers, columns, videos, countdown timers, forms, anything you need. You can also use the template of an entire design page from the library. Let's say we need to build a squeeze page for lead generation. Here it is. Now you can edit it however you like. Change anything: the button color, text, images. You can also easily add new elements and entire blocks from the library. Want to add an open form right on the main screen? No problem. In the form settings, you can add additional fields or remove unnecessary ones. You can also easily select the page that users are directed to after submitting the form. Just like that, and much, much more. And all this comes with customizable responsive design, so your page looks great on any device. And now you just need to hit the Save button, and the page is already available online. Now, if a visitor fills out the form, they will automatically be taken to a thank you page, or they can download our lead magnet. And importantly, their contact information will automatically be saved in the CRM system so that you can use it for further communications with the client. But that's not all. The possibilities of AXL Website Builder are much broader and include search engine optimization settings, widgets that you can embed in other sites, and even built-in traffic analytics that works without the data loss often seen with external systems like Google Analytics. But what impressed me the most is that the loading speed of pages created on AXL is on average 30% faster than the same pages created on other website builders, and sometimes even times faster. And that is really cool because every second saved boosts your page conversion rates by several percent. But a website is just the beginning, right? We also want the user to receive a series of automated messages leading them to a sale of our product. And for that, AXL has a super feature called Scenarios. Scenarios is a powerful marketing automation tool that helps you create auto funnels of any complexity and makes it incredibly easy. Let's say I want to automatically send an email after a user fills out a form. I simply select the form submitted event and drag and drop it into the workspace. Then select the send email action and connect the nodes. All that's left to do is to add the content of the email. And voila! Now, as soon as a user submits the form, they will immediately receive an email. And when I say immediately, that's not an exaggeration, because AXL sends messages with second-by-second precision. But that's just the beginning. You can use conditions, time delays, and over 30 different types of automatic actions, from sending a message in WhatsApp to creating a task for your salesperson. With such functionality under the hood, you can make your funnels truly smart. For example, you can run different sequences of actions for those who clicked the link in the email and those who didn't. Cool, isn't it? And yes, in AXL, you can create scenarios of any complexity and size. The size of the canvas and the number of events are unlimited. That's how Scenarios allows you to build super flexible modern marketing. But let's go further. Now let me show you something that can significantly increase your lead conversion rate. I'm talking about quizzes. Quiz marketing can really boost lead generation for many types of businesses, and AXL provides all the tools you need to make it happen. With AXL, you can create any quiz, test, or survey using a variety of form elements: checkboxes, drop-down lists, mono or multiple choice, rating scales, and even file uploads. Anything you need. Flexible settings allow you to customize the content of questions and answer choices, as well as the appearance of fields, buttons, background, and any other quiz elements. With AXL, You can also design modern multi-page quizzes with a progress bar, which will help you to get the maximum completion rates, and incorporate images, videos, and other visual elements to make your quizzes truly engaging. Once your quiz is ready, it's easy to share the link or embed it on any website. And just look at it. It looks awesome on mobile devices and incredibly user-friendly. But what I like most is that AXL lets you create branching quizzes, where new questions appear based on previous answers. This allows for a tailored experience for each user segment. For example, I can show different branches of questions to dog and cat owners. And of course, different closing offers as well. Cool, isn't it? So with AXL, you don't need to spend money on separate services to create quizzes. You can do everything in one place. And that's just great. Okay, want even more cool features? How about webinars? You'd be surprised, but AXL is also a full-fledged webinar platform. Creating and launching a new webinar on AXL is incredibly simple and can be done in just minutes. The webinar room is highly user-friendly for presenters, moderators, and viewers. Here you can chat with your audience, track and answer their questions, manage participants, and share files with them. AXL also has a flexible stage feature, so you can turn your webinar into an exciting show by rearranging the elements of the screen right during the broadcast. But the most important part is that AXL is designed to help you drive sales. Here you can easily set up buttons associated with different offers and display them on the screen at the right time. Just look at this. A viewer interested in your offer can click the Buy button and pay for the product in a pop-up window without leaving the webinar broadcast. That will boost your webinar conversion. But you can sell effectively not only during the webinar, but also after it's over. Scenarios feature lets you tailor your communication after the webinar, sending different messages to those who attended and those who missed the event, and even customize messages based on how long viewers stayed in the webinar. Isn't that awesome? In addition, you can analyze audience behavior statistics, both individually including the entire history of chat messages, and by group, evaluating all key webinar metrics. And here's the best part. Once you've created a high-converting webinar, you can turn it into an evergreen automated webinar in minutes and start generating sales on autopilot. For this, AXL includes a live chat simulator and automated events that create a full live webinar effect. If you want, you can even schedule automated webinars to run every 10 minutes to maximize your audience's engagement. Cool, right? But that's not all AXL has to offer. Let's see what you can do with the chatbot functionality. In AXL, you'll have access to a powerful chatbot feature that will fully unleash your chat marketing potential. Here you can easily connect to any of the popular chat channels, including Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, and others. And then you can create as many chatbots as you want by running automated sequences that are triggered automatically when a user types a certain word or phrase in chat. Once the trigger word is set, you can move to scenarios and build automated communications using not only texts, but also images, buttons, and links to make your communication as engaging as possible. With AXL, you can program any sequence and create branching scenarios depending on the user's choice. And of course, you can sell your products and services right there in the messenger. Just look at how it works. The customer just needs to type a keyword, and the process begins. The chatbot handles all the communication automatically, 24/7. And here comes the link where the user can pay for your product right away. Bingo. So AXL is a great tool to drive more sales and conversions in messaging apps. But let's learn even more about the potential sales opportunities by exploring the sales functionality. AXL provides you with a powerful set of features to effectively convert leads into customers. First of all, you can receive payments from all over the world using the most popular payment methods, because AXL has integrations with over 20 payment gateways, such as Stripe, PayPal, Square, and many others. The integration process is simple and user-friendly. And when it's done, all you have to do to let your customers pay you is add a payment form to your sales page, select the product, and choose the payment method. That's it. Now when the customer clicks Pay button, voila, the payment process is activated and the money is on its way to your pocket. But that's just the beginning, because AXL offers many ways to not just sell, but to maximize your revenue and profit. In the payment form settings, you can easily enable one-click upsells or downsells, activate promo codes for special promotions, or even allow your customers to pay in installments. But my personal favorite option is the order bump, because an order bump is a fantastic way to maximize profit by offering additional products right when the buyers are going through the checkout. Just select the product you want to offer, and it's ready. Now, with a single click, the customer can add an extra product, increasing your average check. Cool, isn't it? And for those who are ready to take their business to the next level, AXL offers multi-level affiliate marketing functionality. Simply enable the affiliate program feature, add your offer and set the terms, and let your partners flood you with new customers. Then just relax and watch your sales grow through the analytics dashboard, where all the key metrics are at your fingertips. Pretty awesome, right? But what about a CRM system? Well, let's take a look at it. AXL CRM system stores all information about your contacts, which you can easily sort and filter by various parameters and their combinations, as well as create segments to send relevant marketing offers or perform other bulk actions. Each contact card provides comprehensive information related to the customer, including a timeline of all customer activities. You can track which pages of the site they visited, which links they clicked, which webinars they attended, and so on and so forth. The CRM also includes a handy task manager that allows you to set up tasks related to the sales process and keep track of how they are getting done. Tasks can be created either manually or automatically from scenarios, and the reminder system ensures that you never miss anything important. But the heart of the CRM system is the deal pipeline, where you can easily track your deals in a Kanban-styled view. New deals are created manually or automatically. For example, as soon as a customer fills out a certain form on the website. And then you can simply drag and drop deals from one stage to the next as the prospect moves toward purchase. Pretty cool, right? You can also customize your pipeline to suit your business needs by creating new stages, removing unnecessary ones, or changing the order. You can even create multiple pipelines tailored to your sales process and move deals between them. But the coolest thing is that deals also have scenarios, which allow you to set up automatic activities, so you can say goodbye to repetitive routine tasks. For example, you can automatically send an email or a message to a contact when a deal moves to a new specific stage. So in AXL, moving a prospect along the sales funnel can be done on autopilot. Cool, isn't it? But what can increase your sales even more is the insight you get from the analytics block. AXL provides robust and accurate traffic analytics that avoids the data loss often seen in systems like Google Analytics, which can lose up to 30% of data. Preset segments allow you to quickly get an objective view of key metrics across different dimensions, including traffic sources, geography, devices, and even UTM parameters. But perhaps the most useful analytical tool in AXL is the spreadsheet reporting system. Here you have access to all the key metrics you need for in-depth analysis. You can configure and rearrange different dimension sets and easily change their hierarchy. This flexibility allows you to thoroughly analyze different data slices to find the most effective patterns and identify growth points for your business. The reports also allow you to select different types of conversions and analyze the conversion rate for various target actions. And in addition, you can display any dimensions and metrics on a graph for easy visual comparison. So with Excel, you have a sophisticated analytical arsenal at your disposal to find insights that will help you sell more. And now let's see how you can delight your customers with your product after it's sold. If you're an expert, coach, or course creator, AXL has everything you need to create e-learning products that your clients will love. Here you can create many courses and lessons with multi-level hierarchies and set different access rules for each lesson. Thanks to Advanced Lesson Builder, you can create beautiful lesson pages without hiring technical experts. Intuitive functionality and ready-made blocks from professional designers make it incredibly easy. In AXL, you'll be able to create modern lessons by mixing different content formats: text, video, audio, and attached files. You can also use interactive tests with AutoCheck and homework assignments to enhance learning effectiveness. And importantly, if you want, you can always protect your content from being copied with just one click. More than that, AXL offers an assignment check feature that will help you reduce the time you spend checking the progress of your students and allow you to sell more expensive packages. After all, we all know that courses with feedback cost more. But what's really great is that you can use the power of community to engage students. You can do this by creating integrated themed forums for student communication with separate threads for different student groups. This helps bring students together and strengthens their emotional connection to your business. Cool, isn't it? The icing on the cake is the advanced gamification of learning. It allows you to create a truly engaging experience for your students. Scores, achievements, leaderboards. These are essential technologies of modern educational design available in AXL with highly flexible customization. And when your product is ready, all you need to do is wrap it in an attractive package to offer an exclusive membership for direct access to your content. And you can choose any format you want, including subscription-based, with monthly recurring payments. And if you're worried about storing materials, let me tell you about AXL's built-in content storage. Here's the thing. With AXL, you have your own built-in file storage where you can keep an unlimited number of files in any format. text files, images, presentations, audio, and even video. That's right, you no longer need to spend a fortune on video hosting services like Vimeo or other external hosts, because AXL includes a full-featured video hosting and video player. You can easily create folders, upload new videos, and use the quick search to find exactly what you need. Within the video settings, you can manage access settings to ensure that only those you intend can view your videos. You can also embed videos on any web page using customizable embed code. But the best part is that AXL offers detailed view analytics. You can analyze how users interact with your video content over different date ranges. The stats on average watching time help identify the moments where viewers lose interest, allowing you to tweak these segments and make your content as engaging as possible. And you know what? You can easily upload a new improved version of a video without changing the links on the pages where the video is embedded. The link stays the same, and it's incredibly handy. Okay, and last but not least, let's talk about the team settings that will help you run your business. To make it easy for you to collaborate with colleagues, assistants, and external contractors, AXL has developed a highly flexible access rights system. Here you can send invitations to people you want to give access to your business account on the platform, and then flexibly configure and change their access rights. For more convenience, AXL has predefined roles that contain typical sets of access rights. You can assign these roles to different people, combine multiple roles for one person, or even create new roles based on existing ones. This system is not only easy to use, but also ensures that each of your assistants can access only the features you want them to use. So this was a very brief overview of the basic features of AXL. In reality, AXL offers much more functionality, capable of solving almost any challenge you may face. So join AXL. Let's take your business to the next level together.